a few jumps over here, and I had one chase me. There's one! Bigger bass. There we go. Little boy. First bass of the year. Woo! Ah, yes. A little late, and he's not the biggest. But still a fish. There you go. There's a much more better one. Yeah. Pretty cool one, isn't it? Yeah. There we go. Decent smallmouth. Not the biggest in the world, but still a fish. Finally, my first bass of the year of 2022. That's all it is. It's very shallow. But it gets deeper when you, it's deeper the more you get out here. Yeah. So, but these bass in particular like to be, oh, look, there's another one. Look. Huh, small trout, look. Got another one. There, here's dinner. Here's a brook trout. Yeah, little pan fry. That's all you really need. Head. Cut the head, cut the tail off. You got the meat right in the center. That's all you really need. So there's bass and trout in here too. Yeah. Yeah. So, but I know you want some trout for the old fryer. So I'll give you this one. Yeah. This is what I mean. Like, instead of fishing in one spot, cover some water and fan cast. Like, start on the banks. Next cast, go out a little more, little out more, little out more, and then go back into the banks. That's how you cover water. That's how you cover water when fishing in. That's how you cover water when fishing along the banks. If you don't have access to a boat. Oh, looks like the frogs are out, which is a good sign. I wonder though. Okay. There we go. Now we're in a good spot. Oh, look, there's a jump right there. Small fish, but right beside it. Look at that. There's a small jump. Probably a bass, if anything. There's a bite. Got one. What do we got? Trout? Yeah, trout. Oh, a bigger one. There we go. Catch you some dinner. There you go. Oh yeah, for sure. Decent trout. Right there in the evening. I'll give you a little secret. While you're along the banks there, use that spinner, cast along them banks there. Oh, there's one. Ah! I lost him. Trout! There you go. I finally did it. Attaboy. Let's see him. What do you got? A trout. There you go.
Oh, he's right in his eye socket.
Can you get it, or?
I think I got it.
Yeah, let's see. Oh. There you go. See? Good eater size, pan size. Oh yeah, nice trout.
I'm gonna let him go anyway.
Oh, okay. What is it? Another one?
Bass.
What is it?
Bass.
Oh, I got one coming. There's one. Double header. Double header. I got one. Decent night. What do you got? A bass?
Yeah, man. Oh wait, let's say get a good one with everybody in it. Your fish was almost not in it.
There we go. Who's
Shit.
bigger?
Yours, I think.
No, they're the same size. This would be great. This would be good for fish tank material if my fish tank was going.
Yeah.
Oh man.
We'll come back here.
Oh yeah, of course. This is where I go anyways. All right, and yours in. There you go. Awesome job.